The National Electrical Code defines a cable rack as a unit or assembly of units or sections, and associated fittings forming a rigid structural system used to support cables or raceways as stated in NEC Article 100. The NEC does not directly address the use of fiberglass grating as cable racks, however it does provide guidance in section 314.4 cable trays, which states that cable trays shall not be used as a means of support for luminaires, fixtures, or other equipment, and cable trays shall not be used as a means of attachment for conduit, tubing, or other raceways. The intended purpose of fiberglass grating is typically to provide a non-conductive surface for pedestrian or vehicular traffic. While it may be possible to use fiberglass grating to support cables, it is not specifically designed for this purpose. Based on the information, it would not be appropriate to use fiberglass grating as a cable rack in accordance with the NEC, because the grating is not specifically designed for the support of cables, which could lead to safety hazards. Also, the grating is not UL listed for electrical applications, which means it has not been tested to the same standards as cable trays or other approved cable support systems. It is recommended to use cable trays or other approved cable support systems that are specifically designed and tested for this purpose. This will ensure the safe and reliable installation of cables in electrical manholes.